As you can see on the repost, it says a bandit haven't enjoyed city life, combine amnesty, military action, ACFS, Dalhatu to federal government. Let me read it a little bit for you. Chairman of the Alewa Consultative Forum ACF, Baashi Dalhatu, has called on the federal government to consider combining negotiation with military force in tackling insecurity, saying the dual approach have yielded results in other parts of the country. Do you understand me? So sometimes I wonder if this country is really for some group of people. Now, let me tell you something. This man now is advocating for federal government to start negotiating with the bandit. Let me explain something to you. If you don't understand the meaning of bandit, bandits are anybody that is into criminality, be it robbery, be it you are napping people, you are causing mayhem, you are causing violence on on some community, you are just a bandit. Do you understand me? So do we now say that Nigerian government should start negotiating with armed robbers and start negotiating with kidnappers and start negotiating with all the criminals in Nigeria? Because I don't understand. And these people that always come out and advocating for this criminal are free moving around in Nigeria. Somebody like Gumi, and now this man, the chairman of Arewa Consultative Forum, is also asking federal government to start negotiating with people that is causing mayhem in this country, people that is buying people. They will came into the church, nap people, buy some people, and somebody will be bold enough and come out on national TV like Arise TV and advising the federal government to start negotiating with people that is killing their own citizen. Does it make sense to you? I'm happy that our new minister of defense minister Christopher Musa says no more negotiating with criminal or negotiating with a bandit or Boko Haram or any terrorist organization in this country. Do you understand? I'm happy that he says that, because it baffles me when all these people we always coming out on social media or in national television and be advocating for criminal, advocating for bandits, people that is terrorizing us, buying us.